Well, we've been talking to parents whose children died by suicide about things they're doing to help other kids who are struggling. One group is working to come up with solutions that could serve teens in crisis. 41 Action News reporter Jordan Betts brings us an update from the group.
In June, the Attorney General for Kansas, Derek Schmidt, appointed a youth suicide prevention task force.
One of the things we've noticed is that death by suicide for that under 18 category had been steadily rising.
The AG knew there were small organizations helping, but wanted to broaden it.
There were a lot of momentum and engagement, but we knew that it was really uneven. And so we asked the task force to take a more sort of big picture look.
The group talked to organizations, parents, and survivors all over the state who have been impacted by teen suicide. One person who spoke was Jen Levinson.
I am a suicide attempt survivor. I struggle every day.
That was at the age of 15. Now she uses her past to encourage others by doing community outreach for Speak Up, an organization that is working to combat teen suicide. The survivor told the task force her story and that something in the state of Kansas needs to change.
We all need to be worried about all of these kids because last year we lost 15 kids in Johnson County. We actually lost more than 15.
The task force agreed.
We need to do a better job of getting mental health resources into communities, especially in our rural communities where the waits can be terribly long.
The group also suggested developing an app that helps at-risk youth and creating a Kansas Youth Suicide Prevention Coordinator. Levinson hopes this makes a difference.
We're talking about it, so I think that's a great step. So now we have the words. Let's make them congruent with some action.
Jordan Betts, 41 Action News.
The task force also recommended offering evidence-based youth suicide prevention training in schools.